Today, you're going to learn how to make a paper airplane. Start with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise. Give it a nice crease. Fold the top corner in towards that center fold line and give it a good crease. Do the same with the other side. Now take the new top corner and fold it in towards the center crease. And do the same again with the other side. You're doing great and almost done. Turn your airplane over so we can do some folds on the other side. Once again, take the top corner from each side and fold it in towards that middle crease. Check it out, you did it! Remember, you can always pause the video so you can work along with me, and it's okay if you need to watch it a few times to really get it down. You'll be a paper airplane pilot in no time.